Do you know how to talk about yourself in Spanish? Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna learn how to talk about yourself in Spanish. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get started. So, have you talked about yourself in Spanish? It might be a little difficult for some people, but it's actually not that difficult. You only have to learn a few phrases in order to talk about yourself in Spanish. So it's going to be very easy. The first thing you gotta say is hola. 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 I'm pretty sure you know this one. This means hello. Hello. When you start a conversation in Spanish, it's very likely that you will have to say hola. Hola. That's a common way to say hello. Okay. After you say hello, the next phrase that you can say is mi nombre es. Mi nombre es, and then your name. For example, mi nombre es María. Mi nombre es María. Or mi nombre es Juan. Mi nombre es Juan. This means my name is Maria or Juan, right? You just gotta say your name after saying mi nombre es. My name is. Okay? Or you could also say me llamo María. Me llamo María. Or me llamo Juan. This pretty much has the same meaning as mi nombre es. Me llamo means my name is, or it's similar to my name is, and mi nombre es, it's an accurate translation of my name is. Me llamo literally means I call myself. Okay, so I know it doesn't make that much sense in English, but in Spanish, you can say mi nombre es or me llamo and then your name. Okay, so that's very easy. We learned two ways to say my name is. Mi nombre es María or me llamo María. Both ways are very commonly used, so you can use either one. Okay, now after saying your name, you can say soy and then your nationality. Soy americana. I'm American. Or soy mexicana. I'm Mexican. Or soy española. Or español. So basically, you're saying your nationality. Or you could also say vivo en and then the country. Vivo en Estados Unidos. Or vivo en Argentina. Vivo en Canadá. Vivo en Chile. And so on. So, vivo en means I live in. Vivo en, I live in America, and so on. I live in Argentina, I live in Chile. Vivo en. Okay, so that's very easy to say and pretty much to learn because they're very short phrases. Soy and vivo en. Soy and then say your nationality, or vivo en, that means I live in, and then the country you are living in. Okay, so that's very easy. Now, another thing to say about yourself is your age. How old are you? So, you can say, tengo 20 años, or tengo 30 años. Tengo means I am, and then the age. Obviously, tengo literally means I have. But when you're talking about yourself and you're saying specifically your age, you need to say tengo 10 años, tengo 20 años, tengo 30 años. So it's wrong to say soy 30 años or soy 20 años. That would be the literal translation. I'm 30, I'm 10. You don't have to say I am and then your age. In Spanish, you gotta say tengo 20 años, tengo 30 años. So you use tengo to say your age. And that means I have in Spanish, but it's similar to saying I am and then your age. Tengo. Okay? So that's when you're talking about how old are you. Another thing that you can say about you is how you look like. You're describing yourself. That happens often when you're chatting on Facebook and you're meeting someone online, and you want to describe yourself, how you look like. In Spanish, you can say soy. You only need to know that word, soy. Soy, and then the adjective. For example, soy alto. I'm tall. Or soy chaparra. Soy chaparra. I'm small. I'm short, right? I'm short. You could also say soy guapo. I'm handsome. Or soy guapa. I'm beautiful. Also, you could use the word tengo. For example, tengo ojos cafés. Tengo ojos cafés. I have brown eyes. So you can use soy or tengo to describe yourself. That's very helpful when describing yourself. You're saying soy, I am, and then you say the adjective, or tengo, I have. When you're talking about your eyes, your physical characteristics, okay? Another thing that you can say when describing or talking about yourself is what do you do in life, right? For example, estudio diseño gráfico. I'm studying graphic design, right? So estudio means I'm studying or I'm still in school. So you're talking about what you're studying. If you graduated, you can also say soy diseñadora gráfica, for example. I'm a graphic designer. Soy diseñadora gráfica. Or soy doctor or soy un doctor. That means I'm a doctor, right? Another example could be soy ama de casa. I'm a housewife. That's another way to talk about yourself. You could also say soy programador. That means I'm a programmer. Or soy dentista. That means I'm a dentist, okay? So that's very easy. You're talking about your career. Another thing that you can say about yourself is hobbies. What are your hobbies? And a helpful phrase to say what you do, what you like to do is me gusta, and then your hobby, and then por qué, and then a reason. For example, me gusta leer libros porque son entretenidos. Me gusta leer libros porque son entretenidos. I like to read books because they're entertaining. That phrase is me gusta, I like, and then your hobby. Right after that, you can say a reason why. So you say por qué and then the reason. Another example could be me gusta pintar porque es relajante. Me gusta pintar porque es relajante. I like painting because it's relaxing. Okay? Me gusta and then por qué. Me gusta, I like. Por qué? Because. Okay? So that's another phrase that is very helpful when talking about yourself. Another thing that you can talk about is your family members. You can say, I have 2 sisters, 3 brothers, and so on. So you can also use the word tengo to talk about your family members, or just to say how many sisters or brothers or aunts, whatever family member you want to talk about, you can use tengo. Tengo dos hermanos. I have two brothers. Tengo una hermana. I have one sister. Tengo dos papás. I have two fathers, two dads. Nowadays, families are a little bit different than before, so you can have two dads, two moms, and so on, and that's pretty cool. Okay, so you can use the word tengo to talk about how many family members you have when talking about your family. Okay, and lastly, another thing that you can say when talking about yourself is how many languages you know. If you're learning Spanish or if you're learning a second language, you can say hablo inglés. Hablo inglés. I speak English. Or hablo español. Hablo español. I speak Spanish. If you speak more than one language, you can say hablo inglés y español, for example. I speak English and Spanish. So you can use y, which is a Spanish conjunction, and you can add the second language. Okay? Or if you speak more than two languages, you can say hablo inglés, español y francés. I speak English, Spanish, and French. Okay? So that's very easy. If you want to learn about Spanish conjunctions, you can click here or here. Okay, so that's another video I recently uploaded and it's very helpful. I'm talking about several Spanish conjunctions that are very useful to use when learning Spanish. Okay, now I'm gonna read 2 comments from you guys. This is my favorite part. I like reading your comments for sure. One comment is from Nate Marks, and it's from the video Ser versus Estar Simplified, okay? He says, amo que todos tus videos son 10 minutos o más. Cada segundo es oro. Okay, so he's saying that he loves all the videos on this channel, and they're 10 minutes or longer, and that every second is gold. Thank you so much, Nate. You always leave kind comments on this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you follow this channel, and thank you for commenting. I love that. Now, the second comment is from Hannah Bobker. This comment is from 15 adjectives every Spanish beginner should know. And you should watch that video as well. It's very interesting. Hannah is saying, ¿puedo usar cerrado para describir personas que no son abiertas? Como tímido o en inglés reserved or quiet. Okay, so Hannah is asking if she can use the word cerrado to describe someone who is shy, who is reserved or quiet. And the answer is yes, you can say someone is cerrado or cerrada when they're shy, when they don't talk too much, when they're quiet or reserved. Well then, yes, you can do that for sure. Thank you so much for your comment. That's a very interesting question. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You can visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. You can go to smlessons.com and click on donate. I'm leaving a direct link to that in the video description down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. And also, you're gonna be able to get a membership on this channel. That will be another way to help this channel. And I will tell you more about it pretty soon. I hope so. Another way to support the channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.